Hi guys, welcome to this week's episode of MissPlanIt. We are so glad you can join us. So this week we got a request, actually several requests. We've gotten them in from Instagram, Facebook, as well as our YouTube channel, and they're all the same. Can you show us how to make a wedding ceremony arch for less? Well, our latest request was that from Leandra, and Leandra was actually doing this. We're trying to put this together for a friend's wedding. So, Leandra, you are the straw that broke the camel's back. This project does take a lot of time, guys, but you can absolutely do this, and for a fraction of the cost. So, without further ado, based on all of your requests, this week's episode is Wedding Ceremony Garden Arch. All right, guys, let's get started. So our first step is to attach garland using garland ties to our 8-foot arch. Now, this is just garland that I bought from the Dollar Tree. Really simple. You're just covering with fullness. Now, if I was actually purchasing this arch, I would have spray painted it green first so that you wouldn't see any of the white. But I'm doing this as if you're renting it, because I know some of you rent the equipment for, $10, $15. I get it. You don't need it. If you're not a wedding planner, then you wouldn't need to. After you have attached the garland to all the way around the arch, you're then going to attach boxwood garland to the very front. Now, you can repeat that step on the back if you choose to, but to save yourself money, you don't need to do the back. No one will see it. Our next step is to create hydrangea bouquets, attaching 3 large hydrangea heads together with some floral wire, and then attaching them to our arch using garland ties. That way you won't see wires, you won't see anything. It'll just look like lush greenery. I've attached about 6. It's really your preference. 6 typically does the trick. So next we're going to go ahead and create our dahlia bouquets using the same basic steps. So you're just going to bunch them all together at the end, tie the stems probably about 1 inch or 2 underneath the blossoms with your floral wire, and then trim off the excess stems, and you're ready to attach it to your arch. Finally, we're going to add individual flowers. In this case, I picked peonies because they're one of my favorites. And you could do it one of 2 ways. You can attach it with garland ties, or you can just use an end of one of your garland that's already on the arch and just attach it, twisting it around the stem of the flower. It'll stay either way. Well, Leandra, what do you think? Absolutely stunning. I'm so excited about how this turned out. And to think the majority of the supplies came from the Dollar Tree. Well, if you want a list of all the links to all the supplies for this project, remember, just head on down to the description, press that little upside down triangle or arrow, however you look at it, and it'll lead you to all the links for all the supplies right there at your fingertips. In addition to that, You will also get the project cost, so you will know just how to budget it. We also have links to our subscription for Ebates, which is absolutely free because you want to make money while you're spending money. So click on that. It's free, guys, FREE. And then from there, you have the link to our website, MissPlanIt.com. And that will also give you our fantastic newsletter with all kinds of great information, as well as just our wonderful website. Check out the website. You will love it. We have different projects and we have written and picture instructions for projects. It's just project DIY heaven. So check out the website, MissPlanIt.com. We love hanging out with you every week. If you would like to keep up with us, you can follow us on our social media, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. We love to read your comments. We absolutely love to see when you post your projects. That makes me the happiest. And you can keep up with us and see what's going on because we've got some really fantastic news to celebrate with you guys. But our Patreon members will find out about it first. So if you'd like to hang out some more with us and support us by the way, you can head on over to our Patreon channel, which is patreon.com/MissPlanIt. There you can support us and hang out with me more. This week on Patreon, I took my Patriots on a shopping trip and I had a blast. I think they had a blast too. So if you would like to join us, go ahead and head over to Patreon channel. Well, guys, our time has come to an end. We will be back next week and we will be starting our countdown to Christmas with our first DIY Christmas gift idea. You're gonna absolutely love it. I had a blast creating it for you and I can't wait to share it with you. So until next week, take care and God bless. See you later.